G'day and welcome to 2-Pin Roseground with Jenny Brandis. If you would like to follow along, the pattern can be found on my website, listed at the end of this video. Jumping right in, we're working on the top left-hand roseground, starting with 2 pairs from the fan on the left. The left 2 pairs make up the first movement with a half stitch, cross and twist. The second movement has been completed as movement 7 in this roseground. The third movement is using the center 2 pairs in half stitch, pin, half stitch, cross, twist, pin, cross, twist. The fourth movement uses the left 2 pairs in half stitch, cross, twist. The fifth movement uses the right 2 pairs in half stitch, cross, twist. The sixth movement uses the center 2 pairs in half stitch, cross and twist. Tension and check that all the threads are lined up correctly. The center 2 threads go from the top pin straight down, 2 threads from the right and 2 threads from the left. The 7th movement, put in the bottom pin and close with a half stitch, cross, twist. The 8th movement is a half stitch, cross and twist using the left 2 pairs. And the 9th movement is a half stitch, cross and twist using the right 2 pairs. Notice that although the finished roseground on the left is messy, working it has neatened up the previous row. Moving on to the next roseground, you can see that movements 1 and 2 are already done. Moving straight into movement 3, half stitch, pin, half stitch, cross twist, pin, cross twist. Movement 4 is using the left 2 pairs in half stitch, cross, twist. Use the right 2 pairs in half stitch, cross, twist for movement 5. Center 2 pairs, half stitch, cross, twist. Tension and check that those 2 center threads come straight down. Check the 2 from the left go right and the 2 from the right go left. Put in the bottom pin and close with half stitch, cross, twist. Half stitch the left 2 pairs, cross, twist. Half stitch the right 2 pairs, cross, twist. Put the left pair aside and move on to the next roseground.